What's going on, guys? It's Karl here, back with a very special episode. It always is special on the channel. We've got an unboxing today, and of course, as you can see from the title, a giveaway of the brand new OnePlus 6T that just got announced. It's been a year since my unfortunate events of the 5T, but I'm still kicking, and OnePlus, of course, has hooked me up with another device. So once we get this unboxed, this very fresh one is going to one of you lucky peeps. Super simple to enter. Of course, just sub to the channel, that is entry one. Go follow me over on Insta where I'll have a corresponding pick. And there's that Gleam link so I can pick the winner, and I will announce that when that ends. Let's set this for 1 week. Best of luck to everyone, and I will announce that in one of my next videos. So good luck. Let us get to this unboxing and get that 6T out of here. First and foremost, we've got some interesting stuff here. Let's take a look at this guy. I believe this is all of the lovely cases. I was correct, we've got the carbon fiber, the sandstone, and the red, and the person that does end up winning this giveaway, I will send out one of these cases as well. We've also got a pair of the Bullets headphones, and these are such a solid value for what they cost. Out of there, never settle. I will just keep those very fresh inside. We will also put that away. We have an empty box and a little packet. I believe this is for the headphones as well. And this is the main guy you want to see, the 6T, and underneath you can see that the branding, that does look like a fingerprint to me. And we kind of know that because OnePlus sent this little invite out to the event, and this was Unlock the Speed. If you built the little display, you could see that the fingerprint sensor was now located on the screen. Cool little invite for that New York event, which I'm currently at right now. Here we go. I've got the Midnight Black 128 gigs of space, but the base model, the Mirror Black 128 gigs, 6 gigs of RAM, that starts at $549. That's base, and So that is out of the box, and already you can see that there is that fingerprint little display here. To maximize performance of our in-display fingerprint sensor, we recommend using the screen protectors from OnePlus and our official partners. As this guy boots up, inside the rest of the box, underneath that little fingerprint logo, we have an invitation letter. 5 years old and 1 million stories told, welcoming me to the OnePlus community. We hope that you think that the 6T is more than just a phone. And of course, we have that fast charger, which I am the biggest fan of. And of course, the cables, USB to USB-C, and a nice little dongle that OnePlus has included that of course is for your headphones. So quickly looking around the back, you can see that this has a matte black sort of finish. This is the Midnight Black, as I said. We have that dual camera on the back. No more fingerprint sensor on the back, as of course it is now located on the display. So here we go. The fingerprint sensor located right on the screen, so press. And we'll keep on going on the display, and we've seen this kind of before in the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. That was the first one that I got to use, and I find that these aren't as accurate as, say, dedicated physical fingerprint sensors, but we'll of course test this out. So for example, let's quickly try to just unlock this. We'll place the fingerprint there, and there we go. The phone is unlocked. I'm a fan that of course we've got hints of orange. You can see now that that notch has gotten significantly smaller from last year. The overall display is also slightly larger. Now it is 6.41 inches. Within the camera, we have the new night mode. Cannot wait to share my results of that full camera review. Pretty insane what this guy can do at night. We've also seen that, of course, on the Pixel 3, on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, so that will be another comparison. And inside, we also have a slightly larger battery, 3,700 milliamps of juice. And anyways, that was your very first look and unboxing at the brand new OnePlus 6T. We've got a ton of new features. Of course, the fingerprint sensor on the screen, the smaller notch, improvements to the camera, the larger display, etc, etc. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. And remember, this very one is being shipped off to one of you lucky peeps. Let me know what other coverage you want to see around the 6T, and I hope to catch you in one of those next episodes or in one of my vlogs. Peace.